بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We start the first lesson of geometry is congruence. طب let's start what's meaning of congruence. يعني I have two polygon are the same in everything. يعني ما اقدرش I can't find one difference between them. For example I have two paper. two paper دول انا لو شايفاهم من بعيد كده انا شايفاهم حاجة واحدة. يبقى I can say these two paper are congruent. I can't find difference between them. For example, booklet page number 54. Question 1. For each pair of shapes, state whether they are congruent or not congruent. Example number A. Two square are congruent or not? Are congruent. Tab number D. This congruent? No. Why? This difference in size, this small and this big. يبقى two shapes are not polygon. طب and number E. خلينا ناخد number E كده. There are any difference between them? Yes. Why? Like this. I can find the difference between them, but these two polygon not congruent. Number 2. All the following figures are congruent except one. Find it out and put cross inside it. I have 4 polygon. What is not congruent? Of course, this. Okay. Number 4, on the right side, draw figure congruent with the polygon on the left side. دي the second step. مثلا عايزين draw نفس السكوير ده، يبقى انا ما اقدرش اعمل واحد تاني في اي difference between them. طب I have 4 points 1 2 3 4. طب number 8. For example X. طب what's the difference what's the distance between A and B? 1 2 3. ممكن ده كده 1 2 3. 3 units the difference between A and B. يبقى shoot the difference between X 3 units 1 2 3. يبقى this Y. طب here the distance between B and C 1 2 3. يبقى the distance between Y and the next point 3 1 2 3. and like this. And the distance between C and D 3. 1 2 and 3. And join them. We have two square are congruent. The same rectangle and trapezium. تمام. طب Miss booklet page number 56. Join the two congruent figure. اقدر طبعا يعني for example يعني دي ممكن ناخدها homework. I have small circle. يبقى what's the congruent circle? This or this? Of course this. يبقى join them. تمام. If we any polygon, I can these two polygon are congruent if satisfies the two conditions. ايه هما بقى؟ Number 1, their corresponding sides are equal in length. 2, their corresponding angle are equal in measure. يبقى السايدز are equal in length and in angle are equal in measure. طب what's the meaning of corresponding? I can understand this. For example, I have two square A, B, C, D and X, Y, Z, F. ما اقدرش اقول مثلا A, C, B, D او X, Z, Y, L. should say البوليجون by order، يعني start X, Y, Z, L أو X, L, Z, Y as you like. The corresponding meaning A equal X، يبقى the other side الانجل equal A X. طب B equal Y. This meaning corresponding يعني المقابلة ليها أو the other side. مثلا for example BC YZ DC LZ. يبقى احنا لو سي السكوير ده A B C D يبقى لازم أبدأ من قدامها A equal X، يبقى هبدأ كده X Y Z L. مينفعش أقول A B C D congruence ل X L Z Y. no، الاوردر عندي هنا لازم. طب sign دي معناها equal. طب what's the sign of congruence؟ this sign of congruence يبقى say triangle ABC congruent triangle XYZ. طب what's mean بقى لما اقول triangle ABC congruent ل triangle XYZ؟ يعني angle A equal the corresponding angle اللي هي مين corresponding angle X. يعني A in the first ما اقدرش اقول طبعا A equal Y. no، the corresponding angle in the first يبقى equals the first، the second equals the second، third equals the third. يبقى A equal X angle B equal Y C equal Z. يبقى كده their corresponding angle are equal in measure. the corresponding side يعني for example side بنطقه طبعا ب 2 letter يعني AB first and the second. يبقى برضو هنروح في triangle X Y يبقى هقول AB equal XY. طب هاخد the second and the third BC equal YZ. the second and third يبقى لازم هنا second and third. طب first and third AC equal XZ. تمام كده عرفنا يعني ايه corresponding side are equal in length and the corresponding angle are equal in measure. For example, if triangle ABC congruent triangle RST, then angle B congruent angle what? ال B هنا what's the order of B؟ first second. يبقى I want the second angle first second يبقى the second angle equal S. يبقى angle R congruent to angle S. Here triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Then BC ده side يبقى BC second and third يبقى برضو هاخد second and third. يبقى BC congruent ل EF. تمام كده يعني number 6 complete is easy. ممكن هنا بقى يعني دي لما كل الأفكار بالمنهج بتاع the first term بالمعلومات السابقة فممكن نشرح دي في الفيديو يعني نكمل الفيديو عشان نبقى دي لما كل حاجة بإذن الله. In the opposite figure, if triangle ABC congruent to triangle XYZ, XZ equal what centimeter XZ. هو اللي ممكن لما حد يبص في الرسمة عنده يتلخبط شوية، يعني عشان triangle مقلوب، XZ ممكن نجيبها من الرسمة first and third، يبقى هاخد AC. طب AC equal what؟ لما هنا رايت بالسنتيمتر يبقى انا عايزة الميجر بتاعها. AC equal what؟ 3 سنتيمتر. XZ هي equal AC equal 3 سنتيمتر. طب XY XY يعني first and second، يبقى هناخد AB. طب AB هنا بكام؟ AB equal 4 سنتيمتر، يبقى XY equal 4 سنتيمتر. Number C بقى the perimeter of triangle ABC. We take the perimeter of any polygon the sum of its side. I have 4 and 3 but I don't have B and C. Who can find BC equal what? BC equal YZ. BC second and third، يبقى هناخد هنا second and third، يبقى YZ equal what؟ 6 سنتيمتر، يبقى كمان BC equal 6 سنتيمتر. Now I can find the perimeter of triangle، يبقى 3 plus 4 plus 6 equal 13 سنتيمتر. Number D measure angle X. هنرجع بقى للانجل. Angle X in the first، يبقى I want the first angle A، يبقى measure angle A. طب measure angle B equal what؟ B in the second، يبقى I want the second angle Y، يبقى measure angle Y. measure angle C. سوري measure angle ايه، هنكتب بقى الانجل بتاعها، يعني ال A هنا بكام؟ ب50، يبقى 50 degree. ال B equal Y equal what؟ 70. كده I have to angle 50 and 70، يبقى ال Y ب 70 وال A 50. طب ايه قلنا equal X، يعني ال X كمان equal بكام؟ ب50، وال Y equal B يعني B ب 70. طب measure angle C. هنا بقى I want the third angle. I have two angle. I want the third angle. Who can find it؟ يعني دي bonus. 50 70. What's the third angle؟ We take the sum of measure of the interior angle of any triangle is 180. To find the third angle يبقى say 180 minus 50 plus 70. يبقى 180 minus 50 plus 70 120. 180 minus 120 equals 60 degree. يبقى الانجل C equal what؟ يبقى C equal 60، يبقى C equal Z equal 60. يبقى if we have two angle and want the third angle 180 minus plus two angle lines. طب number G, what's the type of triangle ABC according to the measure of angle؟ خلي بالنا احنا take a type according to the side length and the measure of angle. I want here the measure of angle. طب measure of angle 50 is acute, 70 acute and 60 acute. If I have 3 acute angle يبقى triangle acute angle triangle. نعمل ريفيجن بس كده بسرعة على ال type of triangle. According to the length of side I have equilateral triangle يعني 3 sides are equal in length. Isosceles triangle I have 2 sides are equal in length. Scalene triangle 3 sides are different in length. The type of triangle according to the measure of angle I have acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and acute angle triangle. The right angle triangle I have 1 angle right and 2 acute. الobtuse I have 1 obtuse and 2 acute. الacute angle triangle is 3 angle are acute. تمام كده. We have notes أو special cases of congruent. دي آخر حاجة بإذن الله. يبقى كده خلصنا الدرس كله. The two corresponding polygons should be written in the same order. يبقى في الكونجرنت يهمني جدا الاوردر. يعني ما اقدرش اقول مثلا triangle ABC congruent للtriangle YXZ، طبعا is wrong. Number 2, two square are congruent if the side length of one of them equals the side length of the other. طب we revise the properties of square. I have الفور right، الفور angle are right، يعني الانجل بتاعت السكوير كلها right. يبقى كده انا عندي satisfy the one condition اللي هو ايه؟ the corresponding angle are equal in measure، كلهم equal بعض، كلهم 90 degree. طيب يبقى انا فاضل لي ايه؟ the corresponding side are equal in length. If we find the side length 1، يعني أنا أهم حاجة عندي 1 بس side length. لو عرفت واحد هنا if example this 4 centimeter equals the corresponding 5 is 4 centimeter, I can say the two square are congruent. Why? A property of square the all sides are equal in length, meaning in for this in side YZ is 4 يعني ده كمان 4 4 4 all sides are equal 4. ولو ده 4 يبقى ده 4 4 4 يبقى all the corresponding sides are equal in length. يبقى عشان اعرف two square are congruent يبقى يهمني حاجة واحدة بس، ان هو side length of one them equals the side length of other. لو عرفت واحد يبقى خلاص اقدر اقول على two square are congruent. طب هل نفس الكلام ده في الريكتانجل؟ two rectangle are congruent if no dimension. طب what's the meaning of dimension؟ length and width دول الدايمنشن بتاعت الريكتانجل. الدايمنشن is different. يبقى انا عشان اقول two rectangle are congruent يبقى لازم if two dimension of one of them equal the two dimension of the other. يبقى في السكوير انا ممكن كان اقول ب one side واحد، انما الريكتانجل no I want two dimension length and width. And the last notes equality of corresponding side of two triangle is enough to be congruent triangle. يعني برضو في triangle I want two side. يبقى هو الوحيد اللي ممكن يتحقق ب one side هو ايه؟ التو سكوير. كده بإذن الله كنا غطينا كل الأفكار اللي على درس الكونجرنت، وإن شاء الله تكونوا فهمتوا بإذن الله. شكرا.